Now, today we are study worksheet 9 acid base salt chapter. Here topic today reaction of acid with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Here give the reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Metal carbonate plus acid is equal to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. When metal carbonate react with acid, give the product salt, carbon dioxide and water. Here is reaction. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus HCl hydrochloric acid is equal to NaCl sodium chloride plus CO2 carbon dioxide plus H2O water. Second reaction of acid with metal hydrogen carbonate. In this reaction, same product are made. Here, metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid is equal to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Example: NaHCO3 sodium hydrogen carbonate plus HCl react make NaCl sodium chloride plus CO2 plus hydrogen. In both reaction make common cheese, salt, carbon dioxide and water. When we react metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate with reaction, always make salt, carbon dioxide and water. In laboratory we observation of the above reaction. Evaluation of carbon dioxide with brick effervescence of gas. Second, on passing this gas through freshly prepared lime water, calcium hydroxide, lime water turn milky due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate, because calcium carbonate is a insoluble, so water turn to milky. Here is the reaction. CaOH alcohol calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide CO2 is equal to make calcium carbonate. It is a insoluble in water plus H2O. Third point, when excess of carbon dioxide is passes through the same solution, milky appearance disappear due to the formation of soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate. When we provide carbon dioxide in excess, then milky solution turn disappear. Here is the reaction. Calcium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide is equal to calcium hydrocarbonate, that is the soluble in water, so milky solution disappear. Here some example of calcium carbonate. First, limestone, eggshell, marble, and also is the we use the chalk. It is made for calcium carbonate. Let us practice now some questions. First, complete the question of following chemical reaction. First, magnesium carbonate plus HCl. We now study above all the carbonate when react acid make salt, carbon dioxide and water. Now we above study all metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid make salt, carbon dioxide and water. Here reaction is first reaction, magnesium carbonate plus HCl is equal to magnesium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Second, magnesium hydrogen carbonate plus HCl is equal to magnesium chloride plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. प्रोडक्ट को we write before and after. Now the reaction is. Now second question, tick right in correct statement. First, calcium carbonate react with dilute HCl and release carbon dioxide gas. Yes, it is true. We study above statement. Second question, B, carbon dioxide on passing through lime water turn it milky. Yes, we study the second point, on passing the gas through freshly prepared lime water turn milky. It is true. Second question, C, limestone and marble both are different form of the calcium carbonate. Yes, we can say limestone, eggshell, marble, chalk, all are made from calcium carbonate. Question Question 2D. All the above statements are correct. Yes, all the above statements are correct. Question number 3. When an acid reacts with a metal carbonate or a metal hydrogen carbonate, it gives the corresponding salt, gas, and one more product. Name the gas and the product. Answer it. First, carbon dioxide, water. Second option, hydrogen, salt. Third option, carbon dioxide, salt. And fourth option, all of the above. Here, here it asks only name of gas and product. Here name of gas is carbon dioxide and product is water. So first option, carbon dioxide and water, is the correct. Question number 4. On shaking any of carbonated cold milk, limca or coke, some bubbles appear and later it disappear. Also give reason of appearance and disappearance of bubble. Because all cold drinks mix with water carbonated. It is a weak carbonic acid. When we shake, it's break into water and carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide make bubbles. When we stop the shaking, carbon dioxide and water joint and make the water carbonate again, so bubble disappear. Now we can say water carbonate break, make the carbon dioxide and produce the bubble. After some time, water and carbon dioxide join together and make the water carbonate, then bubble disappear. Now we study the worksheet about acid reaction with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. In this sheet, any question you have doubt, you ask me in comment box. Thank you. Learn it, do it.